The Wolffian ducts are fetal urogenital structures that develop into the seminal vesicles, the vas deferens, and the epididymis. They also form parts of the bladder wall. Which of the following is not an androgen? A. Dihydroepiandrosterone, DHEA. B. 2-hydroxyestrone. C. Androstenedione. D. Dihydrotestosterone. The answer is B. 2-hydroxyestrone. All of the hormones listed, and testosterone, are androgens except 2-hydroxyestrone, which is a metabolite of estrone, a form of estrogen. Androstenedione is produced by all of the following tissues except dash. A. The ovaries. B. The adrenal cortex. C. The testes. D. The adrenal medulla. The answer is D. The adrenal medulla. Androstenedione is produced by the ovaries, the testes, and the adrenal cortex. The adrenal medulla primarily secretes epinephrine and norepinephrine. Which of the following is a normal dihydroepiandrosterone (DHEA) level in an adult female under the age of 50? A. 31 microg (dl). B. 6 microg (dl). C. 240 microg (dl). D. 398 microg (dl). The answer is C. 240 microg (dl). Normal DHEA levels in an adult female under the age of 50 range from 32 to 395 microg (dl). DHEA levels are higher in younger women and decline as women approach menopause. Which of the following is a normal dihydroepiandrosterone (DHEA) level in an adult male under the age of 50? A. 59 mcg (dl). B. 450 mcg (dl). C. 386 mcg (dl). D. 94 mcg (dl). The answer is C. 386 microg (dl). The normal DHEA levels in an adult male under the age of 50 can range from 95 to 441 microg (dl). They are highest in early adulthood and decline with age. Which of the following is not a function of progesterone during pregnancy? A. Increases the contractility of the uterus. B. Decreases maternal immune response to the fetus. C. Breast maturation and preparation for lactation. D. Inhibits lactation during pregnancy. The answer is C. Breast maturation and preparation for lactation. Progesterone serves many functions in pregnancy. It prepares the endometrial lining for implantation of the embryo, it increases the contractility of the uterus, it inhibits lactation during pregnancy, and it is thought to reduce maternal immune response to the developing fetus. Breast enlargement and maturation in preparation for lactation is facilitated by estrogen, rather than progesterone. Which of the following proteins initiates male sexual development in utero? A. Masculinization factor. B. Testis determining factor. C. Testosterone sensitizing protein. D. Male determining protein. The answer is B. Testis determining factor. Testis determining factor, also known as sex-determining region Y, SRY, protein, is a sex-determining gene found exclusively on the Y chromosome in humans. Its transcription triggers the development of male sexual characteristics in the developing fetus. The Sertoli cells of the testes secrete all of the following except A. Estradiol. B. Androgen-binding protein. C. Anti-Mullerian hormone. D. All of these are secreted by the Sertoli cells. The answer is D. All of these are secreted by the Sertoli cells. The Sertoli cells of the testes are responsible for the secretion of many substances, including anti-Mullerian hormone, androgen-binding protein, glial cell line-derived neurotrophic factor, and estradiol. Which of the following is the term used to describe the post-ejaculatory transformation of sperm via enzymes in the uterus and seminal fluid? A. Spermatozoal maturation. B. Capacitation. C. Decapitation. D. Penultimation. The answer is B. Capacitation. The process by which post-ejaculatory sperm is rendered fully mature and capable of fertilization of an ovum is called capacitation. This is where enzymes within the uterus are able to partially degrade the acrosome, the cap surrounding the head of the spermatozoa, allowing it to bind with and eventually penetrate the zona pellucida of the egg. Which of the following minerals stabilizes sperm cell chromatin? A. Zinc. B. Manganese. C. Magnesium. D. Copper. The answer is A. Zinc. The stability of sperm cell chromatin is dependent on zinc. Zinc deficiency can cause sperm to be fragile, which in turn lowers sperm count and decreases male fertility. The average ejaculate contains how many sperm? A. 500 to 800 million. B. 700 to 900 million. C. 100 to 400 million. D. 40 to 600 million. The answer is D. 40 to 600 million.